really like motocross. It's very difficult, I guess, more challenging than road racing was. I threw a leg over a sport bike and it was kind of a natural. It wasn't nearly as fun. This I'm not very good at, so I have to push myself a lot harder.
The reason I ride motocross is because I love it. It's one of the only things in my life that I can do for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and for that time that I'm riding, I don't think about anything else.
I started definitely trying to push myself a lot, going out as much as I could after work. If I had a day off, I'd go out. Even if it was raining, if it was muddy, it's a total shithole, I still went out. Just to try to improve.
Growing up as a kid, I used to watch all the 90s Supercross guys on TV. During the commercials, I would get my mini bike and ride in my backyard track because I would get so pumped up. I just love every aspect of it.
I came out here to find the fun for two wheels again, and I found it.